Now that we have a way of putting data into our table view, we also want to have a way of allowing the user to interact with it. So we're going to start looking at how we can work with the Tableview delegate methods. We'll be selecting and deselecting the cell and accessing these delegate calls. We will also take a look at how we work with structs within an array. One of the most powerful features your Tableview has is it's able to accept user interaction through the tap in the cell and then to do something with the data you provided to it. What we want to achieve is that every time that a row is selected, the dream has been achieved. When the row has been deselected, then that dream is unachieved. We're going to make use of two different protocol methods here. The first we're going to do is Tableview did select row at index path. In here, what I'm going to do, much like I did whenever I went through my creation of my cell, is I'm going to find my dream. So I do let dream equals dreams and then put index path.row. So I'm finding my dream at the right row. Then I'm going to set my dream.achieved to true. Now, because what we're doing is we are working with a struct, we need to set the dream index path.row to the newly amended dream. Structs are known as value types. This means that whenever I move them around or edit them, I'm effectively working with a new copy of this. So if I set one dream equal to another dream, I'm creating a copy of that. This is different to reference types. Reference types create a reference, allowing you to move them around, to change it, and then to access that same class from anywhere else. So in order to make this happen and to repopulate my dream into the dreams, I'll do dreams index path.row equal dream. Then we're going to go to the Tableview did deselect row at index path, and I'll follow the same logic. Let dream equals dreams index path.row, dream.achieved equals false, dreams index path.row equals dream. Now, since multiple cells can be selected, we need to tell our Tableview this. So we'll go back to the storyboard, select the Tableview, open the Attributes Inspector, and when we have the value selection, I'll click on the drop-down list, and then I'm going to click Multiple Selection. And there we have it. Our Tableview is all set up and ready to accept all of our data. So this brings us to the end of section 5. So far in this section, we've created a Tableview. We've then worked with the Tableview cells to create a prototype cell that will be dequeued and reused. We've also loaded the data into our Tableview. And finally, we've worked with Tableview Interactions to allow the user to access this. In the next section, we're going to look at how we can work with multiple view controllers.